As I said at the beginning, the sketches of the PNP campaign seem to suggest that they're going to be focusing on an anti-corruption message, lack of trust and confidence in the Prime Minister and JLP leader, Andrew Holness. And that is understandable, because the PNP has been tardy, virtually irresponsible in not really fashioning a serious message about bread and butter issues, as we would say in Jamaica, fixing economy, crime, and the JLP has been running away with its accomplishments. And if there's a weak spot, to the government, is this question of corruption. And we see it in our polls, where it is now one of the top 3 issues in the country. And last night, while in St. Anne, the PNP president returned to that theme. They had gone quiet on this issue before, and now with the appointment of Dennis Chung, they have pounced on it again.